sensory organs, the eye, ear, and skin. Here you can see a section from eye. All structures of eye present in this part. This part is anterior side of the eye, and here you can see the posterior side of eye. In this part we have the, what is this? Lens. And in front of lens we have this cavity, anterior cavity, and here we have the posterior cavity. Anterior cavity in itself divided into the posterior chamber and anterior chamber with this iris. And in the front side of the eye, we have the cornea. Cornea continue with the sclera. In the middle side, we have the uvea. In posterior side, composed of the choroid. Here we have the, what is the name of this area? Ciliary body and process, and we have the iris. And also in the inner side, please zoom out. In the inner side, here we have the retina layer, sensory retina and pigmental retina. Now we are going to talk about details of these different structures. Please go to the next page. Okay, here, firstly you can see this sclera, this part. This area is sclera, composed of connective tissue. Generally, irregular dense connective tissue have high amount of capillaries, and as you know, the muscles of eye connected with the sclera. Here you can see. In the after side, this sclera in a proximal part of the eye covered with the conjunctiva. Here we can see the conjunctiva. Conjunctiva, depending on their location, composed of the stratified scamus or stratified columnar epithelium. For example, here you can see stratified columnar epithelium. Look at here in this one. And in the anterior side of eye, sclera continue with cornea. Here you can see the cornea. This part is outer side and this part is the inner side of cornea. Cornea from outer to inner composed of 5 different layers. The epithelium of cornea present in the outer surface, composed of stratified squamous epithelium. Look at here, stratified squamous epithelium. The outer cells have squamous shape. And under the epithelium we have the Bowman membrane here. Under the Bowman membrane we have thick layer of connective tissue or stroma, and in stroma we have only the collagen fibers and fibroblasts, generally inactive fibroblasts present between the collagen fibers. What is the type of this connective tissue? Regular or irregular? Regular, dense connective tissue without blood vessels. You can see blood vessels in stroma of cornea. And in the inner side, we have simple layer of endothelial cells, generally composed of simple squamous epithelial cells. In some references, they told these epithelial cells composed of simple cuboidal epithelial cells. And between the endothelium and stroma, we have a basement membrane. This basement membrane known as the Descemet membrane. Okay? How you can understand this side is the inner side of the cornea or outer side? You can look at the epithelium. If you have only one layer of epithelial cells, you can say this part is the inner side. Please zoom out. In this part, we have a thick epithelium, and with this epithelium, you can understand this is the outer side of the cornea. And also between the cornea and sclera, we have the limbus, this area. In this area, the connective tissue of cornea, regular dense connective tissue, suddenly changes into the irregular dense connective tissue of sclera. And this zone is our intermediate zone, known as the limbus. In the limbus, we have networks of capillary and sinuses which compose the Schlemm channels between the connective tissue of limbus. Go to the next part. Okay, now we are going to talk about the uvea. The posterior part of uvea, here you can see, known as the choroid. Choroid composed of highly vascularized connective tissue. You can see high amount of blood vessels in the cornea, in the choroid. And also we have pigmented cells between the blood vessels. And here is the retina. Between the choroid and the retina, we have a basement membrane. Basement membrane which separates the pigmented epithelium of retina, this part, from the outer side choroid, known as the Broch membrane. Here you can see this part. In this part we have the Broch membrane. This Broch membrane actually